Hey everybody, this is Mark at TrekOregon.com. We are down here at the Brooklyn rail yard of Union Pacific here in Portland, Oregon. And I'm right up on the Belmont Bridge right now taking a look at some midnight operations. It's pretty slow right now. Like I said, it's about 12:30. We just see a couple trucks, a couple cranes driving around and moving containers, putting trains together one piece at a time. But it's pretty cool to watch, especially at night when it's so slow. You really have a chance to see what's what and, you know, actually zoom in and look at the different parts of the rail yard and see what's going on. A lot of times in the day, it's hard to see where anything is going or what anything is doing. You're right over here, big old crane. So this guy, he's controlled by a joystick that hangs around the neck of the operator who walks next to the crane, and he's probably going to drive that right over a truck somewhere and lift the container right off and set it down on top of the train chassis. Wow, that is awesome. That is huge. I don't know if the video does this justice, but that is absolutely huge. He probably wonders why I'm videotaping him. No, I'm not a terrorist. We're here because we love trains. Hold on, I gotta get out of the way. This tree's not helping me. Oh, I lied. This one's different. Looks like the operator's in that little cab right there. Absolutely awesome. Wow. That thing is huge. So he could easily pull up next to a truck or a tractor that's also next to another truck or tractor or a rail chassis or vice versa, and just pick one, scoot it over, and set it back on another one. Easy cheesy.
Looks like he's lining up.
Oh yeah. He's following that track right there. I wonder if he's gonna pull that last one off there. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for our viewers. Check this out. I will see him pick that last one up. That looks like that's where he's going. Alright, let's see what this guy's gonna do.
Oh, now the crane's moving. See it?
Yep. It's really cool just to see one of these happening like this. Usually it's so busy out here you can't really watch and see the intricacy of what he's doing. It is most certainly a coordinated ballet, that's for certain. Is he lifting that sucker? I wonder how it grabs on. Right. Does somebody have to go down there and grab it, or does he have a little remote control that can... He probably has a remote control, or little dogs can grab hold of it or something. There it goes. Very cool. This is awesome.
Never seen this done before.
Nice work.
I can see how it moved up here.
Whoa. Did he let go? I think he did. He's all done. That was pretty cool. Usually it's so busy here you can't see what one's doing. Got that one done. Now it's time for his union mandated lunch break.